Welcome back to the channel. So does your desk look anything like this, where things are just kind of all over the place and not in an orderly fashion? Well, I have recently got into the everyday carry space, and I've always been into minimalism. So combining these two interests, I am going to show you how you can keep your desk really organized and also keep the appearance of your desk sleek and modern looking. Here's what I'm using to keep my desk organized. I recently got it about a week or two ago, and it's been really lovely. It's by Uncluttered Designs. It's a bamboo tray, and it has little compartments for you to put all your stuff. And the main thing that it might be attractive to people is the phone side, which is on the far right side right here. But I'm gonna quickly put my things in here and show you how it works. Pretty easy because it's just a tray, so you just kind of organize your things how you'd like. But I think it's just something that's pretty cool that I got into recently, and I feel like a lot of people could benefit from using this on their desk. And yeah, let's just get straight into it. Usually this is for the phone, that's why there's this little area for like the cable to charge, but I'm using my phone to film, so let us use that for this remote. It's perfect size for it, so when I'm not putting my phone there, I usually put the remote. And then for this middle section, I usually use that for wallets. This is my Simply carbon fiber wallet. It's kind of a minimalist and automotive inspired brand. I'll also put my chapstick here. And speaking of, let's put my keys right here. Perfect space for my watch is gonna be right here. And then I'm gonna have to turn this off to wind up my earphones, but that's where this is gonna go. I will get back to you once I get that done. Compared to before, this looks a lot better. Everything's in its rightful place and it's neat, and it leaves a lot of room for your desk. But not only does it organize your stuff, it also looks really good on your desk. So I'm gonna show you where I usually put it and how it adds to the aesthetic of my minimalist / black and white desk theme. Usually I'll have it to the side like this. I do have a black and white type of theme on my desk. So my desk is white, and then all of the accessories that kind of complement it are gonna be black. So this EDC tray, my leather pad, and my clock, and then my Stussy dice candle. So overall, I would highly recommend this EDC tray. It's made with good materials, it's good quality, it's simple, and it gets the job done in organizing either your office space, your bedroom space. I could see this even being used in a bathroom. But yeah, if you are interested in getting this product, I'll have it in the link below. And yeah, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next upload.